want to ask you guys, who do you guys respect more, right? Do you respect Mbuyiseni Dlozi, left EFF, decided to do radio, media, he's now podcasting and stuff like that. And then you've got Floyd, who was hopping from party to party, started his own.
And Floyd flopped. So I respect the other guy.
The other guy, no?
Yeah, he's still relevant. You can still listen to him. But this one, I boo it to Africa this side.
Who do you respect more?
Yo, bafethu, awusho mekuthi izophuma nini lento esiyenza la ngikwazi ukuhamba la. You want to be killed.
Uhambe yaphi?
Africa.
Make sure you...
Who do you respect more?
Andlos.
Why?
He's Hey man, this looks terrible, bro. You leave here, you go there, they don't receive you here. Now you open your own thing. If you wanted to open your own thing, go.
Yeah.
Imagine now who can trust you?